here is Pas de Deux by Tchaikovsky from the Nutcracker. The orchestral version is far more satisfying, so go have a listen to that if you haven't already. But here we're going to try and tackle the simplified piano version. It should do the trick, I think. I'll play about 10 seconds of the music for you, and then I'll teach you to do the same. Here goes. Stop. We'll begin with the left hand, and if I'm ever moving too quickly, please slow the video down. You have that function, the right-hand corner of your screen, bottom right-hand corner, and follow along. We'll begin with 4 and 2 in the left, and the left hand here is all quarter notes for the, let me check, the whole piece is just quarters, so that'll be sort of the scaffolding upon which the right hand is going to be built. Very straightforward, very regular left hand. Here we go. The first bar is 4-2, followed by 1 on D. Then 5-4-2, E minor now. Thumb moves up to E. Easy enough. The piece is in 4/4 time, and we have 4 quarters to start. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. But you can do the pedaling per half note, so that would be per 2 beats rather. 1 and 2, and all of that is under 1 pedal, and then change pedals here. Change. And the same thing is true for the bars going forward. It's not always going to be the case, but wherever it changes, I'll let you know. For now, as a rule of thumb, just pedal every half bar or every 2 beats. Okay, moving on. Next we have 5 and 1. 2 and 1, 5-3-2, and then a thumb on D. And that's the first phrase. The next 2 bars are identical. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4. No big deal, very straightforward, very regular. Now the right hand. The right hand I'm going to play with the left just to contextualize it, but I'll narrate what's happening in the right hand. We have a thumb on D, and everything aligns. Both the hands play together all the time here. 5-4-2. Next, thumb on E. 5-3-2. Next bar. 1 and 2. 5-4-2. Thumb on D. 5-3-2. And that's the first full phrase. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. The next bar is the same. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And moving on, we have so you'll see that the left hand hasn't changed, but the right hand is now melodic. Let's see. Yeah, let's just do the right hand first, then we'll put it together. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we're in G major, so there's an F sharp. And then 3 over, 3, 2, 1. That's amazing, isn't it? Tchaikovsky, the absolute epitome of melodic writing, was able to transform a simple G major scale into the most beautiful and lush melody. It's amazing. Nobody can do it quite like him. All right, so the thing with the rhythm is this. I'll count it out, and you can sort of see how the hands align. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. To break that down further, we have together, then together, right, together, right, left, and then 2 notes on their own, and finish on G. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Beauty. Moving on. Let me play the rest. Very simple and repetitive, right? Left hand first. The next couple bars are as follows. Here you can pedal the whole bar. So 4, 2 and 1, then 4 again, and 3 and 1. All of that can be under one pedal. The next bar is the same. Change pedal. There you have it. Not too crazy, not too difficult. Right hand. 5, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2. Then again, same thing. 5, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2. Now watch how the hands align. So we'll start from here. Together, left, left, together, right. And the next bar is together, right, together, left, and then same thing. Let's count it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, not bad, next bar. 1 and 2. Notice that the A fell in between the and of 1 and beat 2. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 again. See? Let's bring it back just a little further. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1. As we keep going forward in this piece, you'll have to finish it off on the website. So come join me, join the rest of us, and finish this tutorial off. I'll have the whole thing up, including the sheet music. If you have any questions about this, please reach out to me. And if you think I've earned it, hit the subscribe button and leave me a comment. Let me know what you'd like me to do next. Thanks for watching, y'all.